This is Project Jersey Girl, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. The Jersey Girl is painted in full gloss Arles blue with black accents. The Jersey Girl sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, and an E.C.D custom black steering guard. Inside, Jersey Girl features an NRG Innovation steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Puma Classic front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Avion Caramel and Chatham Navy leather stitched together in Yale blue. Jersey Girl is powered by our GM LS3 6.2 litre V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.